Hi, I'm Edwin Palmer. Thank you for watching. Should you find the content of this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel. So, this is the 6th lesson on how to speak Swedish like a native Swede. So this is free accent training coming straight to you. So, what are we going to practice in this video? Well, in this video, we're going to practice the short Swedish U sound. But before we start practicing, I want to give you some information on this sound. So the U sound is a vowel sound, and we call it the near, close, near, back vowel. And this name tells us how we physically want to make this sound. Here, your tongue is close to the top of your mouth and near the back of your mouth. As I've told you before, we produce all vowels through the mouth, and they are voiced, and that means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. The U sound is similar to the OO sound, but as you can hear, it's shorter. So instead of OO, it's U. In Swedish, we spell both the U sound and the OO sound with the letter O. This can, however, be confusing since we spell both the U sound and the OO sound and the OO and the O sounds with the letter O. Just look at these words as two examples. Son, son. Tom, tom. So please either consult a dictionary or ask someone who speaks Swedish well to find out the right pronunciation. So keep in mind that we form our lips into a circle when we make the U sound, like this. U. As if we want to kiss someone. Every time we practice a new sound, it's smart to practice in front of a mirror. So I always advise my students to practice new sounds in front of a mirror, like the one I have right here behind me. So let's start practicing. So here I have 10 words, which I'm gonna read out loud. I'm gonna say each word twice, and I want you to repeat after me. That's it. So let's get started. The first word is blomma. Blomma. Lomma. Lomma. Moster. Moster. Morfar. Morfar. Mormor. Mormor. Morbror. Morbror. Sosse. Sosse. Dom. Dom. Socken. Socken. And the last word is morsa. Morsa. So that was all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now.